Hi there, my name is Kevin Kavanagh from gplusdigitalmarketing.com. Imagine if you woke up in the morning and you found out that you had money in your bank account from using social media. Would that be of interest to you? Well, I want to introduce you to a book here from somebody that I know, Paul Mahoney. He's an Irish lad. He has made quite a significant amount of money on social media, and he's written this book called Rethink Social Media. So Paul, when he wakes up in the morning, usually ends up with money in his bank account. Now, Paul has written this book to give you an in-depth analysis to show you step by step what he does in his business and how he uses social media to basically become an influencer and also to make money online doing it. It's a very in-depth analysis of somebody who's already successful online, making quite a significant amount of money doing that. Paul has made to date probably over 10 million doing that. Now, Paul has also talked for the likes of Tony Robson. If you know Tony at all, well, Paul has spoken alongside Tony on stage. So that'll kind of give you the endorsement of what I'm talking to you about here. This book is very, very powerful. I've been online for quite some time, and I've been working an online business. And I have to say that Paul's book is an eye-opener. I highly recommend that you get your hands on this book. You can get it from Amazon and all good stores. Have a quick read through it. It's over 300 pages long. Okay, he starts off telling you a story, and then he shows you exactly how a business is structured. Sorry, I can't do that right, but it will show you exactly how he structures his business, and then you can use that yourself in your own business. So go and get the book. Now, if you want to jump on board a webinar that Paul is doing as well, I highly recommend that you do so. I'm going to leave a link below here that will show you, Paul will show you how he started out and how he started to develop a business online. You don't have to be a rocket scientist to do that. To do this. This is a great thing about it. All you got to do is follow somebody that's already successful within the industry and basically do as they do. It's very simple. Just click on the link below this video here. Take action, and I can guarantee you it'll probably be one of the best things that you've invested in this year. This is Kevin signing out. Have a great day. Rethink social media. The link is below here for the webinar. Be sure to get on it.